How to delete Shein account permanently in a few simple steps. To delete your Shein account permanently, open up your Shein application first or log into Shein.com on a preferred web browser. Also make sure that you are logged into your Shein account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top right. From the settings menu, tap on Manage My Account. In the fourth option, you'll be able to see Delete Account. Tap on it. Before proceeding the account deletion request, you'll need to go through the following verifications. Make sure that your account has been verified, there are no pending orders or returns for the account, and there is no wallet balance for this account. After your account meets all of these criteria, tap on Apply to Delete Account. You will now receive a data deletion request sent on your linked email address for Shein. Tap on OK and open up the email inbox that is associated with Shein. Now open up the email from Shein and then go through the information and at the bottom of this page and scroll all the way down and tap on Delete Data. Select a web browser you'd like to use from the pop-up and then you'll be able to delete your Shein account permanently. That is how you can easily do it. If you find the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Webtech Tutorial for more updates and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thanks for watching.